What's up, guys? It is always freaking amazing to see you. So I was looking on my phone and I always get sucked in on TikTok, and I always see these makeup hacks on my feed that show up, and I don't like seeing them because every one I have tried, it's usually a big bomb. I fail at it. I don't know if they even work or they just don't work on me. I think what it is, it's something so crazy that it gets the views and it does not actually work. But that's just my theory. But the ones that really fail is underneath the eyes, that promise creaseless eyes that last all day, because I have very creasy eyes. I have a lot of lines underneath my eyes. So I did not save it. I did not like it because I thought it was just bull crap. For some reason, I got a bug up my butt and I was like, all right, I'm gonna try this. It's not gonna work for me. I've tried it a few times and it blew me away how wonderful my under eyes looked. I'm telling you, it will take years off your under eyes. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wore it to work. It lasted all day. When I look underneath my under eyes, it wasn't deep set wrinkles that it usually is. I can have the best concealer and it's going to crease on me throughout the day, no matter what, because it's just going to happen. Now, if I use a bad concealer, of course, it's going to be worse. But I always expect to see a few fine lines underneath my eyes. I know I'm not the only one. But this trick, I'm telling you, wait till you see it. So I pretty much have all my cream makeup on right now. So I'm just going to add my concealer and show you this. Okay, what concealer am I going to use? I like to mix, so I have my Rare Beauty one over here, and I have extremely fair skin, and it is 160C, and then I'm using the CoverGirl Outlast, and this is 800 Fair Ivory. So I never add anything directly on my face. I don't like it. I like to blend it on my hand. I think you get a smoother look with it. And I add a majority of the Rare Beauty and then a dot of the CoverGirl. So I just blend it out and then I wipe the excess off on a paper towel. And here we go. And now I'm going to add it to my under eyes with this blender over here. And if I need more, I can always add more, but I always like to start off really light and go from there. So I don't want to waste product, so I like to go little bit by little bit. And this method really gives you an airbrush look when you do it like this, because when I add brushes, it's just not flattering for my eyes. And I go across the bridge of my nose like this. So for me, I find that extremely even. Okay, so the concealer's done, and what I like to do is I usually add this before my bronzer and everything else, but I'm just going to touch up with my bronzer on the side of my face. Of course, not underneath my eyes. There we go, that's better. Now, the next trick, make sure you have your blender nearby. And what you do is you blend out any creases, because if you set the creases, they're gonna stay. That's just as simple as that. So I have my Huda Easy Bake, and then I have two brushes. I have the brush that I'm gonna use to apply it, and then you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with this brush. So you do need two of them. So I got my Huda Easy Bake. And the thing I'm using, I got this on sale. I prefer the tinted one. I think it's pound cake that I get, but I'm using sugar cookie because I got it on extreme sale. I think I paid 15 bucks for that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and work on this eye first. Blending out all the creases. Now we're going to take this brush, the handle of it, and pull your eye straight. So you want it completely flat. You don't want to see any wrinkles. So you add it to the edge of your eye. Every eye is going to be different, so just get it to where you want. Then you take the brush and you press in your setting powder to your under eye. And brush. Just press, brush away, because I am not baking. My eyes do not do well on baking. They look dry, cakey. It's not a good thing. Now let's go work on the other eye. Telling you guys, do this step, it matters. Now I'm just adding powder all over because it blends everything on my eyelid. So when I add my shadows and everything, because I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, come back so you can see. And then the other thing that I'm going to do, since I have my powder out, wherever it creases, I press it in. So I always crease around the chin. And I always crease around my nose. So this is like a bonus tip, but I've been doing this for freaking years. And then I press around my deep, deep pores. It's like I said, you can park a car in my pores. And I just take and I buff all the excess off. Now, look at my under eyes. They look amazing. I'm telling you, this trick is a game changer. At least it was for me, and I'm hoping it will work for your eyes too, because I've tried so many tricks underneath my eyes and they do not work. What I used to do is use the blender, get all the creases out, and then lightly go over, and that was my trick. The only one that worked for me the best it could, but like I said, I would still have a few lines in there. I would have about 5 lines over here and a few lines over here, and this trick worked wonders. Now I'm going to get the rest of my makeup on, pop back on so you can look. I'm not going to hop on exactly when I get done. It will probably be a couple hours later because I want you to see it sitting on my face and see if it settles into the lines, because that's the biggest thing. I could pop on here right after and say it looks great, but to wait is going to show the real truth of it. So I'm going to be right back. All right, here I am back. But even though that my face looks terrific, my side is killing me. Do you want to know why? I told you how accident prone I am. Here's an example. So I'm going around, makeup's already done, meal prepping for the week to set myself up for success of being healthy, and I went to go feed Sugar Bear. I forgot there was a hot pan on the side, a baking pan. So I bend over to give her food, and I seared the living fuck out of the side of my fat. So when I said I was trying to get rid of my fat rolls, that's not what I meant. But that's how accident prone I am. Thank God for Neosporin, I'm telling you. But anyways, back to what's important, how wonderful my under eyes look. So it's been a few hours and I want you to take a look. I'm gonna get up close and let you see. Look how fantastic it looks. Now there is one little line, but soon as I pull my skin, there is no makeup collection whatsoever. It is completely flat. It is beautiful. That is just my natural crease of my eye, how my eye sits. So that never goes away. I've had that since I was young. But this is why I wanted to jump on and tell you about this amazing hack, because this is a game changer. I'm telling you, if you have lines underneath your eyes, do this trick. I'm telling you, that's what I'm here for. And let me know if you try this trick and what you think of it. Are you as happy as I am? Because I'm telling you, friends, try this. It is freaking amazing. But that's it. We're at the end of the video. And as you can see, I still have not done my Ipsy box. Why? It's still not here. They sent me a shipping notice yesterday. Can you believe it? It is almost the end of the month and they sent me an email this late. I will go deep into it because I called customer service. That was fun. But anyways, hopefully next video I will have it, because I even clicked the tracking number and they say no item has been found. So cross my fingers, it's going to be here next video. Again, tell me what you think down below, what you think of this trick. Please try it out. You're gonna love it. If you have lines underneath your eyes, you have to try it for me, friends. I'm telling you. Anyways, let's go ahead and grab Sugar Bear and do fur baby time. Come here, Shuggy. All right, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Love you to pieces. Remember, I think you're fucking amazing. Bye, guys.